Before connecting your Dell Docking Station, first verify compatibility using Dell Command Update. This tool checks your desktop model and available ports to ensure proper functionality. Next, download and install the latest Dell Docking Station drivers. Use Dell Command Update for automatic driver management and update your system BIOS if required for optimal compatibility. Now for the physical connection. First, connect the docking station to its power adapter and wait for the power LED to indicate proper connection. Then connect the appropriate cable to your desktop using the highest bandwidth port available. Finally, Windows should automatically detect your docking station. Install any prompted drivers and verify the connection in Device Manager under Universal Serial Bus Controllers to ensure everything is working properly. Your Dell Docking Station initial setup is now complete. The connection is established and ready for peripheral configuration in the next phase. Now that your docking station is connected, it's time to set up your peripherals. Connect your monitors, keyboard, mouse, and other devices directly to the docking station ports. For multiple monitors, you'll need to configure your display settings. Access Windows display settings to arrange your monitors and set resolution preferences for optimal productivity. Test all connected devices to ensure proper functionality. Check that monitors display correctly, input devices respond properly, and audio output works as expected. If you encounter display issues, update your graphics drivers through Device Manager. Right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver to resolve compatibility problems. For connection problems, check cable integrity and clean ports of any debris. Ensure your dock's power adapter matches the required wattage to avoid power delivery issues that can affect device performance.